The drought ended, but the rain brings a new threat: water inside their shelter.
A dry roof was safety. Now the roof is failing. Food cannot survive if it soaks.
The leader decides. They must move before night traps them here.
She saves what can still be saved, without panic.
The elder reads the stone. This place will only grow wetter.
The shelter is changing minute by minute. The survivor knows a new shelter must be dry, hidden, and escape-ready.
Rain brings water, and it reshapes the roots between stones.
When the season changes, even giants begin to move again. Wet ground records every traveler. A good cave announces itself: dry ceiling, clean air, and silence.
Not every cave is a shelter. Some are funnels. Bad air means deep dampness. He chooses the cave that the rock itself protects.
He tests the cave like a map drawn in sound.
2 exits, high ground, and a dry ceiling. This is shelter.
Old marks say others survived here.
He found it. Now they must move before the light fades. Relocation begins with silence and order. He turns panic into a plan. In rain, a fall can ruin the whole move.
She watches above, because rain hides wing beats until they are close.
He wants to rush, but the rain punishes rushing.
They move now, because night will bring new visitors. In the wet season, water becomes an obstacle. The elder turns chaos into a path. The world wakes up with the rain. Where herds gather, watchers also return. Humans survive by refusing the center. A new shelter, chosen by stone and sense. He brings them in before the sky darkens.
Dry stone, high storage, 2 ways out. This is survival architecture.
First rule of rain season: keep everything off the ground.
Medicine belongs where air is calm and dry.
He finally learns. Building defenses is stronger than showing off. A doorway is managed like a trap,
quiet and controlled.
As the sky cools, more creatures begin to travel. When the ground is wet, scavengers follow every smell. They built a new system before darkness arrives.
If thieves come, let them take the wrong prize. Real supplies disappear into darkness.
At night, one wrong step can invite attention.
Even herbs can attract curious noses.
Night arrives, and the world outside grows louder.
In rain, hearing matters more than sight.
Fear keeps him still. Discipline keeps him silent.
The rain washes trails, but it cannot erase smell.
Someone arrived. He wants to react. But reacting is how you lose. They found the bait. Silence is their defense. Silence is their weapon.
She moves only when the rain covers the sound.
The storm becomes their cover.
Let them take it.
They do not defend the bait. They defend the future. More noses arrive when one finds something. Even signals must hide inside the weather.
She reads movement and adjusts the tribe's shape.
The stone screen hides them like a mask.
They want easy food, not hard mystery.
He learns the hardest victory, controlling himself.
The thieves leave satisfied, with nothing valuable.
They wanted calories, not conflict.
They do not celebrate. They wait to be sure.
One success becomes a routine.
Security is built in layers. Even smell can be guided. A small trick, a larger safety.
The wet season makes the whole world move. Giants gather where water gathers. They traded one shelter for another and kept their lives with it.
A god rests only when the world proves quiet.
Survival is learning the pattern of a place.
Morning arrives, and the new shelter holds.
The wet season begins, and the tribe begins again.
A better shelter does not end the struggle. It gives them a chance to choose their next step.